Hello guys, and welcome to our channel. Today I'll show you how you can scan QR codes in the Motorola ThinkPhone. So at the start we have to open the camera app, then go to the settings and expand the AI settings. Then check that you have a Google Lens feature enabled. If you not, just switch it on and go back to the camera. Then tap on this little Google Lens icon in the photo section and show simply the QR code to your device. Tap the shoulder button and you can see Google Lens looking automatically from the address from the QR code, so you can directly open it. And it worked perfect. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.